Mehul Choksi, the fugitive diamond trader, has finally been arrested in Belgium on the request of Indian authorities. That's the big news. And remember, we're constantly tracking updates. A smart businessman, he's been on the run since 2018. He was already planning to immediately shift to Switzerland from Belgium. That was while his treatment was on and possibly the next step to evade any arrest. But by then, Belgian authorities took him in custody on the request, remember, of the two non-bailable warrants issued against him by the Mumbai court in 2018 and then 2021. Look at the map, look at the details of his timeline. Left for Antigua, took the citizenship in Antigua, and then also to Dominica, where there was a court case, and then came in this visit to Belgium on medical treatment grounds. However, he has been now nabbed in Belgium. It's just the beginning, remember, because eventually it will be about deportation or extradition. India Today's Divyesh Singh joins me this morning. Divyesh, what a big news. Focus comes in onto your city because that's primarily where the whole issue had emerged from. Tell me how this non-bailable warrant from the Mumbai courts led to this arrest. How will the authorities in Mumbai take this ahead?
Well, these two non-bailable warrants were issued in May 2018 and January 2021 against Mehul Choksi for non-appearance in court, where the trial is going on against him in the PNB multi-crore fraud case. Well, the total defrauding that was done with PNB was around 13,500 crores, of which Mehul Choksi had defrauded 6,095 crores. And then he fled from the country. He bought citizenship of Antigua and Barbuda and was staying there. From where, for a small period, he'd also gone to Dominican Republic, where he claimed that he was kidnapped and taken over there. Dominican Republic did not allow Indian authorities to take over then or deport Mehul Choksi to India. He went back to Antigua, and now for his treatment, he's been claiming that he suffers from blood cancer, and for that he's seeking treatment at Belgium, where Belgium authorities, upon request of Indian authorities, ED and CBI primarily, arrested him, and now he's been in custody. Also, we've received input from sources that Mehul Choksi was further planning to shift his base from Belgium to Switzerland for further treatment, and that is when he was arrested.
About that, Divyesh, why was that? Why possibly Switzerland if he's already undergoing medical treatment in Mumbai?
Well, it is suspected that Belgium, because he suspected that Belgian authorities might act on the request of Indian authorities, and he could be placed under detention or could be placed under arrest. That is why he was planning to shift to Switzerland. Belgian authorities, upon the request of Indian authorities, moved swiftly and took him into custody, or else he would have moved to Switzerland. We hear from authorities that all the preparations or tickets or travel details, travel requirements had already been processed by Mehul Choksi and his team, and he was almost moving out of Belgium to Switzerland when he was nabbed by the Belgian authorities.
Divyesh, please stay on with me because I have more news coming in on this. This is without a doubt our big story this morning on The Burning Question. Choksi, who was arrested by the Belgian authorities on the 12th of April, remember, has been there for medical treatment. He's been in Belgium, though, for the last 6 months. Of course, there was a tip-off. There was a confirmation that had already come. It wasn't a surprise that he was seen. The authorities knew about it, but it took some time to act on Indian request as well. Sources say that you must know his health is not in the best condition. And according to our reports, he's suffering from blood cancer. But remember, it is eventually about the Red Corner notice, about the details that have come in on the law that he'll have to face. He's after all defrauded the PNB Bank and India.